I'm Jay Monaco. I'm Vice President of Global Engineering with Amsted Rail Company from the United States. And we're here with our partners, Amsted Reelin in South Africa at the Africa Rail exhibition. Today we'd like to talk a little bit about Bogie that we've developed for the 1067 South African gauge. This Bogie is similar to what we use in the heavy haul in a lot of places around the world, especially North America. It's got wheels that are produced to the South African standard, 34-inch wheels. It's a lightweight Bogie. Cast products from the bolster and side frame can be produced locally. The design is intended to give higher performance in terms of maintenance costs, and still give good wheel performance without having the expense or added weight of additional components. The main features are the damping system that we have and a passive steering system that allows the axles to take a radial position during curving and come back out of that into tangent track so that the wheels are tracking well again when they're moving straight at high speeds. It's a lightweight design, as I indicated. Roughly speaking, it's about 3.8 tons, which is sort of 8,375 pounds. And we're looking to hopefully test this on South African track in the near term.